Hey, Yamandumarang. That's Wiradjuri language for are you well, and I hope you are today. Just wanted to have a quick yarn to you today about this organisation I'm involved in with several other directors, and it's called NATOC. I'll put a sign up there behind me so you know what we're talking about, but it's to do with Aboriginal tourism in this place they call New South Wales. We call this place Nurrumbung. It's our home country. And we're all Aboriginal directors, and we all own and operate Aboriginal tourism within inside New South Wales. So just a quick yarn up. I just got to sit down for a minute and start a bit of a fire up for you, because it's at the moment it's burr down here in Wagan, which is Wagga Wagga. I'll have a quick little seat down there. Oh, that's better. And I'll just get my fire stick out. Make a nice little fire there for you. Now we can have a good yarn up. So what we do in New South Wales is we work very closely with some big mobs, Destination New South Wales and all those. And what we do is we go out into the bush and into metro areas, and we talk to Aboriginal individuals, corporations, community groups, and try to get all you blokes and all you people involved in this amazing Aboriginal tourism that we've got happening. Yeah, we've got COVID at the moment. Don't worry, old mate COVID will come and go, and we need to be prepared for that that tourism burst of people coming back in. So domestic market's starting to come back. So I just wanted to talk to you quickly about NATOC and how our mob can listen up to you, hopefully come out to your areas and look at the tourism that you've got and just give you a little bit of a hand there to try and squeak it up for you and get you involved in working for yourself and making your own wallang, making your own money. So I'll put the links to NATOC, which will be to our webpage, where you can go and have a look at becoming a member, becoming one of our family, or just able to contact us and maybe get involved in the Aboriginal workshops that we'll be coming out and doing in your area very, very shortly to get you mob interested in tourism. So NATOC, very, very important. We're here to help you. Hey, look at that link. Give us a yarn. Look at our Facebook page, NATOC. Happy to help you. So take care, and we'll have a yarn up soon. Good way, you.